My name is Sharon Jenkins. I'm originally from Jacksonville, Florida. Been here about 6 years, and I noticed first year I moved here, I started having back pains, and then about 2 years later, my knees started hurting. Sometimes it's so excruciating that I got to do something, and my doctor, I'm one of the people he won't operate on until the pain gets, to the dating point. He says I'm too young for knee replacement or anything like that because I have osteoarthritis, so it's not feasible for him to operate on me right now. And I said, I got to do something. My quality of life is just diminishing. I can't go walk on the beach and the things I like to do. So once I saw this on Facebook, I said, I want to check them out. So I called the number. From the beginning to end, he was very explanatory of it, made it very well understandable. They are a joy. I was sitting out there and I was coming in, and the lady ran across the parking lot. Let me open that door for you. I thought she was a patient, but then she says, let me get my purse and everything sat down, and then I'll get right with you. And she let me in the cool building. Very knowledgeable, very nice. They answered my questions even before we got to the doctors. Any questions I had, they were very willing to assist me and answer any questions. Yes, you find out a lot of information that you don't know. They'll break it down for you so you can make a choice decision.